Hello everyone. Today we are back with something new, and today the topic that we are going to cover about that's number systems. Most of the time we might have heard about it that we have different type of numbers like positional and non-positional, and decimal, octa numbers and binary, hexadecimal. So today, more specifically, we would be looking at them. So let's get started. So the first question is, which of the following is not a type of a number system? It means that you can see the list below, that which of the following is not, means not the type of number system. So that is fractional. How can we say that? Like we already know about it, that there are two main types of number system. One of them is positional and second one is non-positional. Positional systems, like they use digits for the representation, positional systems, right? Whereas the non-positional number systems certain symbols for the representation of numbers. So Octa is a type of positional number system with the base 8. Don't forget that Octa, we have some another number systems like binary, and every one of them has a base number. So that is the right answer is fractional. How is the number 5 represented in non-positional system? So A is the answer. You can see that how it's positioned. Like how can we say that? In a non-positional number system, 1 is represented as 1, 2 is represented as 2, and so on. So number system symbols for representation of the digits. We have got another question. The base is the total number of digit system. So that is the true. It means the statement is true. In a positional number system, base is the number of digital system comprises. For example, a binary number comprises of 2 digits like 0 and 1. Therefore, the base is 2. So similarly, the decimal system comprises 10 digits. So 0 to 9. So the base of which is 10. I think it's clear. So LSD and MSD, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 4 3 2 4 7, and dash R. So that is C, definitely. So how can, let's know its explanation. The LSD means the large significant bit, okay, is the rightmost digit at the 0 position. If you can see it, and it's here. MSD means most significant bit is the leftmost. So it shows that the C means the 7 and 1 are the correct answer. A device that uses positional notation to represent decimal number, and simply that is abacus. So abacus we use to doing arithmetic calculations around 25 years ago. Pascaline was the particular Pascal's calculator by Blaise Pascal invented of doing laborious calculations. Okay, the 2's complement of 5 is, that is A. How can we say that? Let's just solve it. 2's complement is obtained by adding 1, right? And first complement of the number. The first complement of that is 5, and 0, that is all, and 1 0 1 0. So that for the 2's complement, like 10, 1 0 1 0 plus that, so that is equals to 1 0 1 1, right? BCD stands for, very interesting, that is bitwise coded decimal. How can we say? That is B, binary coded decimal. Binary coded decimal is a form of representation of the numbers. We use in 4 bits, and let me just the BCD binary coded decimal is representation of 5. That's equal to 0101. BCD representation is 22. So it means there is 0010010. 1 zettabyte is equals to 104 exabyte. Like 1 exabyte is equals to 1 petabyte, and 1 yottabyte is equals to 1 zettabyte. Perform BCD additions on 2 plus 3. Like we can say that, let's solve this. BCD, as we have already studied about it, BCD of 2 is equals to 0010. Like BCD of 3 is 0011. So whenever we just plus them, like 0 0, like 0 0 0 and this 0 0, it's done, and we consider only 1 and 1 and 1 11. Therefore 2 plus 3 is equals to 01015. Okay, we've got a very interesting question. Another ASCII. It means the right answer is American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Like it's encoding standard which is used for communication worldwide. So ASCII, we call it most of the time. Codes are allotted to registers, special characters and alphabets for data communication purpose. I guess the basic number system is clear. Now let's talk about the Octa. Octa, like we most of the time know about what could be the maximum number of a single digit in Octa number system. So very simple, it is 7. The maximum value in any number system is 1 less than the value of the base. Like the base of an Octa number system is 8, we know that. Therefore the maximum value of the single digit is 7. So it takes like 0 to 7, like we say, that's indexing as well. In a number system, each position of digit represents a specific power of the base. It is true. Like how in a number system, every digit is denoted by a specific power of the base. Like in Octa, there's 8. Consider the number like 113. It is represented. Like we can say 8 and multiply it with and plus it, then 8 1 power and multiply with 1, and that is equals to that. I hope it's clear. The maximum number of bits sufficient to represent Octa number is binary. That's B, 3. The Octa number system comprises of 8 digits, hence 3 bits. Like if we just make it in 3 bits, 23 equals to 3. 8 are sufficient to represent any Octa number in a binary format. Don't forget, we are talking about binary format. The binary number of 111 octa format, that is B. Clear? Okay, so you can see the explanation. Like certain, you can pause the video and look at the examples. Like 000 is equal to 1, and 001 is equal to 1. 010 0113. Like we have 100, that's equal to 4. 101 is 5, 100 that's 6, 111 is 7. So we have the convert that 22 into the corresponding decimal number. How can we do that? Very simple explanation to convert the Octa number to the decimal. Like 8 is the base power, and that's 1, that's equal to 1, and in this way you can just solve this 22 to 8. Okay, Octa equivalent of the binary, like this and that. So we have the that answer already above. There was a table, so you can see it and convert it. Octa subscription, and this will give you the answer is A. You can see that expression. And we have another question. The ones complements of that 0 0 0 1 is that is A. So convert the 5401 into the hexa. As we already know that we have already done exercise above. So express the decimal format binary this. So that is D. Expression, the first bit is the sign, whereas the rest of the bit multitude. So that the answer is that. So I hope this is clear. We have got another decimal number.